Now when I'm using this, do I have to keep it on full blast? No, you could just press it halfway to get a little bit more control if you want. And then turn it up. Sweet. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And maybe when I'm not running the video camera as I'm doing this, I should wear a dust mask because I'm feeling it all down my throat and all the way down into my lungs. So when you're working, goggles, earplugs, gloves, and if need be, a dust mask. See you next time.